Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to quick a very quick and honest review about this powerful website. So we're going to explore and dive deep into this AI website to know more about the features, the pricing, and the pros and cons about this platform. So to get started, think of Snitcher as a special words like an informer. It's a canary for your website. Instead of telling police secret, it tells you who is visiting your site. It's not being a bad snitch or stool pigeon. It's giving you an important information. Snitcher show you the names of companies checking out your website, like a dictionary tells you what words mean. It helps you know who is interested in what you offer and a lot more like that. So talking about the best features about this platform, they offer a wide range of features which is so cool. So Snitcher has some really cool tools that makes it finding leads easy. It's like having a secret helper for your website. Here are some of the best things it can do, which is an automated report. Come with an automated report. It also gives an access features to identity visitors and a overview together with a review contact. Now talking about the pricing list, we have different type of pricing plan for this. We have the free plan, we have the premium plan, then we have the agency plan. So if you want more information about this plan, you can simply get to the website to get more about the plans and to pick the one that suits best for your business. So that's it.